Hey guys, today I'm going to give you a quick video walkthrough of the Xebec Tri-Screen. It's a new product from us here at Xebec. It's a laptop attachment that adds 2 additional screens to any existing laptop, Mac, or PC, instantly boosting your productivity and recreating that office workstation while working from home, on the go, at the airport, etc. So after you expand it to fit around the lid of your laptop, pull the screen out from the right, pull it out from the left, and the next step is to go ahead and plug it in. As you can see, we have multiple ports here on the right that allow for a myriad of different connections. We're going to go ahead and use the USB Type-C port today, but it also works with a display port, VGA, HDMI out, whatever your laptop may have, it will be compatible. Plug the screen in on the right. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing over here on the left. And you will see within seconds, you're instantly up, going, and ready to go, just like you would with any other computer monitors. You can grab a tab on one end, move it over to the left, drag it over to the right. You've also got over 180 degrees rotation with these screens, so you can give yourself the optimal viewing angle, show it to a colleague or coworker to your left and right. You're ready to go. The best part is, whenever you're ready to pack up and go, you simply unplug the cables from either side, slide the screens back in to the bracket, you're ready to go. You can put this directly into your laptop bag as is, or you can take it off and store it separately. One of my favorite parts is that it's completely not obtrusive. See, there's no magnets, no permanent adhesives. It simply just fits right there on the lid of your laptop and hugs that. Like I said before, it's also compatible with any other laptop. Here's a Dell Latitude that we like to use, also compatible with that. Either way, go ahead, get the Xebec Tri-Screen today. You can visit us at www.thexebec.com. Thanks a lot, guys.